Alright guys, I'm going to share one of Mike and my favorite recipes with you guys. So I'm going to cook supper. So I have 4 potatoes here. I have orange pepper, I have a red onion, and I have sausage. And through the magic of YouTube, we're going to get it all prepped. So 1, 2, 3. And there you go. There's our onions, our pepper, 2 sausages, and our potatoes all cut up. Now the first move I'm going to make is I'm going to take these. And I gotta put some, I'm gonna get Mike to film me while I'm doing this. So I'm gonna get some olive oil, which is right up here in my cupboard. And we're just gonna drizzle a little tiny bit. Oh, I don't want this, I almost squirted it there. We're gonna drizzle a little bit on the potatoes. I'm gonna put the olive oil back. I'm not used to being recorded while I'm in the kitchen here. And then we're gonna take some spices. So I'm gonna take parsley flakes. And I'm going to put some of that in here. Not too much. No, don't go crazy with it, but put enough in there for some taste. I just use whatever I feel like using that day too. There's no rhyme or reason to this. You can use salt and pepper. You can use paprika. This is summer savory. This is a Canadian spice. Well, I just went a little crazy on the summer savory, but that's okay because Mike and I both like it.
I'll have to shake it up.
Yeah, Mike's going to do, and I was just going to say that. So you put the lid on it, and Mike's going to shake it up for us. And I already preheated the air fryer. He shakes it good. He has more upper body strength than I do. I don't have a preheat on my air fryer, so I ran it on for 400 for 10 minutes while I was peeling everything. There's it all shooken up. You can go ahead and pour that in there. You're going to hear a little sizzle, because... Alright, so this is all just give it a little shake, Mike. Give the basket a little shake. Alright, we're going to put that in, and I'm going to set the time on just this side. I don't have to do the rest of it yet. So we're going to go air fry. We're going to go 400, and we're going to go for just 10 minutes for right now. And then start. Okay, and I'll come back and check in with you after that 10 minutes is done. Oh, just a second. Okay, guys, so I just went for a walk with Odie, so if I sound out of breath, that's why. So these were in for 10 minutes. I'm giving them a shake. Now we're going to dump those in here. Go ahead, Mike. We had snow last night. I'll show you guys outside in a minute. Now let's give this a mix. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay, we're going to go another 10 minutes because we like them crispy. And then we're going to go under roast. And we're going to go 10 minutes on that. And then, oh shoot, I did something wrong. Okay, I got to start over. Just give me a second. My nose is running like crazy, so I'm trying to do this and make sure my nose doesn't run down my face. I gotta go catch it. Okay, I did it again. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try this again. Sorry about that. That's just a little funny blooper. I usually have it together more than that. Okay, we're gonna go air fry 400. 10 minutes. Then we're gonna go to 2. We're gonna go to roast. And we're gonna go, that's not roast, that's reheat. This one's roast. We're gonna go to roast. And we're gonna go to 10 minutes. And there you go. In 10 minutes time, that'll all be done. My hair is a mess because, as I said, I was out with Odie. And it snowed out last night. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Go Hebs, go. Alright. There. You can see that down there. I should have taken the camera with me when I took him for a walk because he was having a ball running around. But it's all good now, so we're just going to have supper now. And there you have it. And this is like one of Mike's favorite meals. I just came up with it one day because I just used some things that I had in the fridge. And we've been eating it a couple times a month ever since. I don't know if I'll finish off this whole plate. That's a lot. But if I don't, what I do is I put it in a bowl in the fridge. And I'll fry it up with breakfast the next morning. I'll make an egg with it and have like a sausage hash. I'll put the potatoes separate as hash browns, and the onions and the sausage and the peppers I'll fry with my eggs. So, yeah. Anyway, we're going to go enjoy now. Where's your toys? Give me that. Give me. Is he going to get something? If you're wondering why this is on there, it's because the cats scratch it. Oh, give me that. Give me your bag of chips. Give me that bag of chips, you. Give me. Odie. Give me the chips. What are you doing? Give me the chips. Mama gonna get those chips. It's playtime. It's playtime. Mommy got your chips. Mommy got your chips. Come on. Come get them. Come get your chippies. Give me them chips. You're foolish. Where's your bone? Look at all your toys. This is a new addition. My aunt gave me that red truck. What do you got? Oh, now you got a peppermint? Give me that peppermint. Give me them toys. Look what I got. You're no hide. Give me... There's something under... What's under there, buddy, that you're trying to get? Oh, the other one. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. He knows exactly where he hid it at. It was right under the ottoman. Give me. He usually throws it at us. Give me that. I'm going to get it. Rah, 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 rah. Tell Daddy to come out and play with you. Daddy, get you going. Give me that. Look at the... Oh, my God. Look at the mess of that. I'm going to have to clean that off. Look at the cat here. That's terrible. That's Kaylee's toys. I'm going to get it. I get it. I get it. Here. Go get it. Mike can get him going a lot better than I can. Give me that. It looks like I have kids sometimes. Go get it. Uh-oh, I put it right under the table. Can you get it? I'm sorry. Tell Daddy to come play with ya. Odie. Just so people know, Odie was found tied to a picnic table at the beach. And he's a Corgi Terrier mix, the vets it thinks. So, it was Mike's daughter that found him, and then she gave him to us. For anybody that's new to my channel, Mike's going to get him going. I'm having a cup of tea. Pumpkin! Hi, Pumpkin. That's Mama's baby. Oh, get the cat. Go get him, Odie. What Daddy got? Pumpkin's hair sticking to the couch. Pumpkin! You don't know what one to get. He threw it. Look, look, another tuft of fur over on the couch. Pumpkin's fur is everywhere. It's like tumbleweeds.
He's gone for a drink.
Oh, okay. Pumpkin. Hi, Mama's baby. Hi, Mama's baby. We do this every evening. Get him, Odie. Go get him. Go play with the cat. Odie, get Pumpkin. Go get Pumpkin. Get him. No, I'll get my bone instead. Uh-oh, he's gonna get you. Uh-oh. He threw it at you again. You gotta watch him because he flicks his head and he'll throw the bones right at you. Get it, Odie. There goes Pumpkin. Oh, someone at the door. My friend and her mom just stopped by and they dropped us off this goodie tray. So Sherry and Mike believe in the magic of Christmas. Love, Georgette and Krista. So we got all these cookies and we got a banana loaf and a lemon loaf. So that was very considerate. They do this every year. They do Christmas baking and they drop it off. So that was a little gift. Okay guys, so I'm going to end this one here. It's just been a quiet day at home because like you guys seen, we've had the snow, but it was extremely windy out too, which is why my hair is all disheveled right now. But so we kind of stayed in today and just chilled at home, made a cozy meal, and now I'm going to have a cup of tea and probably a little sweet treat. And Odie's settling down now. I wish I had the camera going a little while ago because Pumpkin was up on his hind legs and he was trying to hit Odie, and then Odie went over and poked him with his nose and knocked him over and he fell on the floor. It was cute. But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I will talk to you guys all tomorrow. Bye, everyone.